Hello friends and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. It's been a minute, but I'm back and I am sharing a video with you that I had a very good time doing. I'm adding a touch of fall, early fall to my home, and today I'm going to be sharing two tabletop vignettes with you guys. It will be the table when you enter my home, which is my entryway table, and it will also be the table at the top of the stairs. I am not adding bunches and bunches of stuff. I'm somehow feeling like I need cleaner lines and less things going on. So they will be sparse, if you will, compared to the way that I normally decorate. So I want you to come on in and enjoy this video with me. Oh, and if you're watching me right here, I'm chewing on ice. So I'm cleaning the first table, which is the one at the top of the stairs. And of course, I'm going to start the way that I always do, and that is cleaning. And once I get it all clean, then I will add a touch of fall, just a little bit, taking away all the summer stuff, and just getting ready for fall. It's early yet, I know, but I'm just ready for something different after all we've gone through. So let's go ahead and get this done. Friends, I am polishing this table. That's a table that I bought from someone on Facebook Marketplace. It is beautiful. And so, as you know, I normally paint things, but I left this one. He said it was an antique. I haven't checked the bottom or anything, but I do love the look of it. So the elephant you're seeing there should have been in a haul because I bought a few things a few weeks ago, but I needed to place them, so I didn't. Also, this is from Pier 1, this diffuser that I'm pulling out. One of my girlfriends knows how I love them, and she loves them too, and I couldn't find them since Pier 1 closed, and so I ordered 3 of them. I will be doing a haul sometime soon, I hope, and will remember to give you the fragrance of that one and the other 2 that I ordered. But as you can see, I'm really not adding a lot to this table this time. I took away the 2-tier tray. I'm going to take away the lantern from the table, and when you'll see in the reveal that it's not a lot on the table, and it actually shows the beauty of the table more, and I'm happy with that for now. So yeah, I hope that you're enjoying the video. And if you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Clarissa Coward, and this is a lifestyle channel, and this is what we do here. Cleaning, decorating, seasonal decorating, as we're doing here, cooking occasionally, organization, and just anything that has to do with living, I don't know, a cozy and clean and comfortable life, and we try to do it all on a budget. Right now, I'm in the middle of I say a no spend, but a spend less, I should say, because I did purchase a few things. But a spend less, and I'm going into a no spend again, and I'll be decorating from things that I already have when I complete my fall, or at least that's what I'm trying to do. I do have a few pieces that I'm going to share with you that I picked up when I do my haul, and everything else will be things that I already have. I have an abundance of fall, and the only reason I think I bought something is that I'm not, or I don't feel like right now. It may change when I pull all of my fall stuff out, but right now I'm not feeling all of the fall color. I'm thinking maybe I'll just add it here and there and go more for a more basic look, because as you can see here, there's no orange, there's no yellow, it's just green, because I'm kind of, finding my way into fall, I guess I could say. But anyway, that's what we do here. And I hope that you will find something here that you enjoy that will bring you back every week. And if you like what you see, I'm going to ask you to hit that subscribe button. And once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. As I was saying, before I go off on another track, because I feel like I'm sitting down talking to a friend when I'm here. Yeah, it's organization, it's decorating, it's home decor for different seasons. It's also cooking. I also do tips and tricks on how to keep your house clean, and I also talk about living in smaller spaces. Everyone does not have a 2,500 square foot home, and as we don't. So And again, we try to do it on a budget. So I hope that you will enjoy this, and I hope that you will come back very, very soon. Now let's get back into decorating. So friends, those stacked boxes I also purchased. Well, actually, I've had those for about 6 months. They were in the closet. I picked those up at Big Lots about 6 months ago, and the top one was, I think, $6.99, and the bottom one was like $8.99. And can you believe it? They're trimmed in gold, and I love them, so I picked those up. Yeah, I know I don't usually do a lot of gold, but my style is changing a bit, so I'm still that girl that loves to decorate in black and white with other little pops of color, but I did like that in gold. So that table is done. Can you believe how little is on the table? I am loving this look. It's clean, and it's not overbearing. Of course, I will add a pumpkin here and there as the season rolls on when I pull everything out, and I will be doing that next week. But what I thought I would do was just clean the tabletops and get them ready, prepared for a little fall decor. So tell me, how do you like this look? I'm loving it with not so much on the table. Let me know how you feel about it in the comments below. So also, friends, that little fat bunny, he sits there always. I just love him sitting there. I have a few of those. I think I told you guys before that my husband bought those for me a few years back, and they were supposed to go outside on the deck. I think it's 3 or 4 of them stuck in little corners around the house. They never made it outside. And the elephants in the back on top of the boxes were thrift store finds, and they were a different color. I don't even remember now. I think they were brown, and we spray painted those black. And that large white thing sitting in the corner back there on the riser is a diffuser, and I think what I have going in there is lemon and eucalyptus mix. It just smells delicious in here. And the rest are fern picks. As I said, I haven't added any fall looks yet, but that's coming next week. So now we're going to head in to vignette number 2. And once again, what do we start by doing? Cleaning and polishing. I dust the tables, sometimes twice a week, always once a week, but I don't polish them that often. So I like to do that as well to keep the wood moisturized, because if not, wood will crack and dry out on you, especially with the air conditioning and during the winter with the heat on. Friends, now these black vases are DIYs. They were just regular glass, and I use the baking soda technique to get that rough look, and I love that. So I'm not going to take them down. What I am going to do is just add some greenery, and I will add a couple leaves of some orange fall flowers, and the rest will be green. Because as I said, I'm preparing for fall. I'm not really ready for the pumpkins and all the color just yet. Just kind of cleaning out summer and getting ready for fall. Getting rid of all the whites and the yellows and the summer yellows, and getting ready for fall golds and here and there, and a lot of greenery. And leaves, turning leaves. So that's what we're doing today. But I love the way these vases came out. They, like I said, were I don't remember where I got them from. They may be thrift store finds as well, because they're 2 of a kind. They were just glass, and I wanted to add a little color. So my colors are black and white, and these turned out great. The baking soda technique is just so wonderful for all of these textured jars and bottles and vases that everybody's using right now, and it's really, really simple to do. I have a video where I did that, and I'll try to remember to leave a link to it in the description box below. But as you can see, I'm only taking 1 pick, and I'm going to cut it up and just add a little hint of fall in both of these vases.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. Moody. Moody.
So as you can see, my friends, I'm not adding much to this tabletop either. I will add a few things to the bottom in a few minutes, but the vase filler, whichever you say it, vase base, is neutral, as you can see. I like it like that for now. I am just into this less is more right now in certain spaces, and it's really working for us because we don't really have a large space. So I guess I'm less farmhouse and more cottage, moving to more cottage, and it's still clean lines, and the black and the white will be fine, but it's just less stuff, and I'm enjoying that right now. I could go right back, but for now, this is what I'm working with. So friends, this is reveal number 2. Let me know what you think. Not a whole lot of fall, just prepared for fall. Next week you'll see lots more. The 3 little candelabras sitting in the middle there were also spray painted. They were just glass from Dollar Tree, by the way. Years and years ago, I just found them in a box and spray painted them. Again, you'll see that I'm using the gold candlesticks. You see I'm changing a little bit, and everything else is in black and white. And I just think that it's ready. I can put a pumpkin somewhere. I can add a little orange somewhere, a little gold, or burgundy, whichever way I decide to go when I pull everything out, and I'm ready. It's clean and functional. Just a hint that fall is on the way. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed bringing it to you. I want to take a minute and thank all of you that sent kind words and prayers and good thoughts when we were going through with my father-in-law. We're getting settled back in again now, getting back to normal. But I appreciate you all for being so kind to me and showing me grace while I was away with burying my father-in-law. And guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I have enjoyed being back. I'm so happy to be here. But I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Share the video with a friend and someone in your family that you think may enjoy it or learn something from it. And I'll see you in the next video. I love you guys. Find something today that brings joy into your life. And when you find that joy, share it with someone else. Bye-bye.